Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn the Elasticsearch is not working on my system. You can see that when I type localhost, we can type Perl localhost 9200. You can see that the Elasticsearch is not working, right? And when I try to type curl with this IP address of that localhost, that is 127.0.0.1, and it is working. So it's the reason, like, it's with localhost it's not working, but it's 127.0 it's working, but Magento it's not working with the catalog search. So how you can do that? So basically you can do the settings, like in meantime your system is not going to be working with the catalog search. What you can do is go to the catalog stores configuration. Then we have a catalog over here. Where is catalog, and here we can go with the products, catalog search. And here you can see that if I put localhost over here, okay, and try to test the connection, it refuses, right? It's not working. Okay. And when we try with the this one with the IP address 127.0.0.1, and with test the connection, successful test connection. So that means if it is not working on your local host and it is working with the IP, then you can change it over here. Okay, and go to the cache flush management and flush the cache and check the products are working fine or not. So the cache is flush. So I'm going to check my products. So its products are visible and I can add to the cart. Okay. So if it is not working on localhost, it is working on the IP, then you can switch with this settings and it will start working. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.